The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll is shaping up to be one of the most futuristic smartphones ever. Instead of folding like the Galaxy Z Fold or Flip, the Z Roll introduces a brand new form factor, a rollable OLED display. With a simple swipe, the phone expands into a tablet-like 12.4-inch screen. No crease, no hinge, just smooth, flexible glass that rolls out when you need it. On the inside, we're expecting premium performance with Samsung's next-generation flagship processor, plenty of RAM and fast storage options. Connectivity will include full 5G support across the United States, plus the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards. Now let's talk cameras. The Z Roll is rumoured to come with a powerful triple lens setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. On the front, you'll get a high-resolution selfie camera designed for both calls and content creation. Samsung is also packing in Galaxy AI features. Imagine live translation on the fly, smart reminders that adapt to your schedule, and advanced photo editing tools powered by artificial intelligence. Combined with the rollable design, this phone is built for both productivity and creativity. What about the price? Samsung hasn't officially confirmed numbers yet, but given the groundbreaking design and flagship hardware, industry analysts expect the Galaxy Z Roll to launch in the United States at a premium level, likely between $1,800 and $2,000 before taxes. In California, that final checkout price will vary depending on local sales tax and carrier deals. As for timing, all signs point to a reveal at a late 2025 Galaxy Unpacked event. That's when we'll finally see official pricing, colours, and hands-on demonstrations. In short, the Galaxy Z Roll could be the boldest Samsung phone yet, giving you the portability of a smartphone, the power of a tablet, and the intelligence of Galaxy AI. The question is, are you ready to roll into the future?